Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make cheese using lemon. First, gather your ingredients, fresh milk and lemon juice. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can transform these into delicious, soft cheese. This method is perfect for beginners and yields a versatile product. We'll cover each step, ensuring you get a perfect batch every time. Get ready to impress your friends and family with your new cheese-making skills. To begin, you'll need 1 gallon of whole milk. Higher fat content yields richer cheese. For the coagulant, prepare about 1/2 cup of fresh lemon juice. Avoid bottled juice for best results. Essential tools include a large, heavy-bottomed pot, a colander, and a few layers of cheesecloth. A thermometer is helpful but not strictly necessary for this easy method. Start by heating your milk slowly in the pot, stirring frequently to prevent scorching. Bring it to a temperature of around 195 degrees Fahrenheit just before boiling. Remove from heat and gently stir in the lemon juice. You'll see the milk begin to separate into curds and weigh almost immediately. Let it sit undisturbed for about 10 minutes to allow the curds to fully form. After straining, you can gently press the curds to remove more whey, creating a firmer cheese. Season your fresh cheese with a pinch of salt, or add herbs like chives or dill for extra flavor. Store your homemade cheese in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 to 5 days. It's delicious spread on crackers or used in recipes. Remember to check the description for a great book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.